Yo guys, what's up? Welcome to the video. So in this video, I'm making some triple chocolate fudge wax edibles, and these are going to be cupcakes. So I'm going to use 1 gram of wax. We got the Saturn OG here today. It's a hybrid, and I'm using just about 0.1 per edible. I'm stretching this and making about 12 edibles, which you can do as well. So anyways, first what you're going to do is you're going to follow the directions on the box and make the mix as I did here. After that, you want to make sure you don't use the oil for your mix yet. So if it calls for butter or coconut oil or vegetable oil, don't use that yet. Set it aside. So next you're going to set your oven to 250 degrees and then freeze your wax. So my wax was already frozen. I had it pre-ready. So what I'm going to do is take this wax and split it up into this little glass bowl that can go into the oven. And it's kind of hard with one hand. As you can see, I was using one hand to kind of just break it up. I also put coconut oil in the bottom of the dish so the wax doesn't stick as much. So that's really optional, but I'm gonna put it in at 250 degrees. We're gonna put this in for just about 5 to 10 minutes. I found putting it in for about 7 to 8 minutes is just about the right spot. So let's do this, and I'm gonna check back once it's done. Alright, so the wax is done, obviously, and I'm just gonna check this out. What we're gonna do is take the oil and we're gonna mix it in here. So I'm gonna cut the video again. It's all mixed up. As you can see, there's chocolate in it because the little spatula I used right here, there was a lot of chocolate on it. So next step fades into a nice easy step. You're just gonna take the wax oil, the canna oil, the wax oil, and you're just gonna mix it in gradually and evenly mix it in. So what I did is I did a little pour and then mix it, and then another little pour and then mix it again. So here I am mixing it up, and this is going to be a couple seconds of me mixing it just to make sure. This was me making my point. Make sure you mix it a lot. You don't want one edible to be way stronger than another edible, so that's a big factor. You want to definitely mix it up a lot. So after you're done mixing, we're just going to pour it on into the fucking tray, and we're going to get ready to bake. Get ready to bake, get ready to get baked. So you take this and you put it in the oven at whatever temperature the recipe calls for. For this recipe, it called for I think it called for 350 degrees. So there it is in, everything's done. Now we wait. Now, here is the finished product of these edibles. I literally just finished making them, hopped on the mic to make this video, and take a look at these chocolatey, cakey cupcakes. These look so good. I'm not going to put icing on it. Personally, I think icing kind of ruins cupcakes, but if you take a look at these, they look super big. These are going to be really good edibles. Like I said, it's the Saturn OG. So with the Saturn OG, it kind of makes you feel like your body's here down on Earth and your mind's up at Saturn. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like. I'll see you guys later. Peace.